Hello everyone, just look at this 3DS and see what's lacking. You can pause the video to check for a longer time. Okay, so here is the thing that lacks. The joystick cap. The joystick cap is there for only for comfort and having grip. The problem with the joystick cap is that it is because it actually limits your movement. If you play Smash 4, you know that your movement is very limited and dash dance is humanly impossible. If you try dash dancing in Smash 4, you're gonna see that it's literally impossible, mainly because the joystick is not very tall. If you look correctly, it's a joystick. There you go. You can see it's a joystick. It's literally not very tall. And so, a Joy-Con's dash dance is humanly possible, but it's very hard. But this thing's dash dance is literally impossible. So if you are playing the 3DS if you were to be able to play the 3DS with a left Joy-Con, for example, as your main joystick, you would have better movement. Goodbye.